Happy Friday, everyone! Happy Friday! Back to sports, si Arlo! Yay!
And I got to win the mama. I don't win the mommy. I tell you win the mama.
You are going to win for Mama. Aw, thank you, boys. Come here, come here. Hindi ko inuun yung camera kanina pa kami gising, guys. Obviously, natapos ko na i-prepare yung lunch ni Ayla. Natapos ko na din i-prepare yung bag for sports mamaya. Pero iniiwasan ko kayong i-on kasi ito yung nangyayari. Tingnan nyo. And kailangan ko mag-focus sa aking mga gawain. Hi! Hello! Gusto mo maging vlogger? Yes? Do you wanna be a vlogger? Say hi, guys! Say hi, everyone. I'm Dee. What's your name? You will be a police officer, yes. And how about you? What are you gonna be? What are you gonna be? Love ya kanina ko akong Dee. Say hi, everyone. I'm Dee. You're giving them kisses? Kisses to the guys. Alright, hold on. Eli is Joker, yeah.
And I put him in jail.
You put him to jail, okay.
He's Joker.
Because he's Joker, yeah. Alright.
And I put him in jail.
10:30 pa yung sports ni Arlo. Pero nakabihis na ako, guys. Ito, mamaya na to. Mamaya na tong bibi ko. Pero tapos na to kumain. Si Arlo eating. Come on, finish your food. We're going to sports. Double check ko lang. 10:30. So, start na ng term 4 na sports. Nag-start sila nung Monday actually, but yung schedule kasi ni Arlo sa sports every Friday. So, yeah, 10:30 in the morning. Yay! Almost finished. One more, please, and you're done. Yes, Kuya's done, Kuya's done, Kuya's done. And then we'll change Kuya. Come on down. O, see, ayaw na niya magpabitaw. And malapit na yung birthday ni Ayla. Birthday niya sa weekend. So, ngayon, magbibigay siya ng bubbles at saka lollipop sa kanyang mga classmates. Prepare ko na yun kahapon. Yung malaking bubbles lang, tapos nag-tape ako ng lollipop. Ginaya lang namin yung mga natatanggap nila, guys. Yung original na plano kasi namin, cookies. Yung customized na cookies. Huh? She's gonna be a 5-year-old. You excited to be a 5-year-old? Yeah? You gonna hand out the bubbles to everyone?
Would you want some milk?
She's got milk on the top. So yung plano namin magpagawa ng customized cookies tapos ibigay. Pero ginaya lang namin yung mga binibigay, guys. Nakailang birthday na kasi. Tapos yung nare-receive nila lagi is lollipop. Merong minsan bubbles. Yung last birthday actually nagbigay ng lollipop at saka... That's not Pikachu! Nagbigay ng lollipop at saka gummy bears. Pero yeah, yung amin yung malaking bubbles. Tapos inano ko nga, tinape ko yung lollipop.
You need to touch your bag.
Hindi. Oh, you forgot your bag.
You need me to open.
Let's get some guys. Come on.
Pikachu.
Okay, I'll give it to Alo. Bye!
I'm sorry, Oil.
Why are you sorry?
Why? Why are you sorry?
That Oil hold me in the house. Bye, 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 bye. I can't see it. I can't see Oil in the head.
6:24 guys ng umaga. Napatulog ko si Indy. So after ko siya pinakain kanina, antok na antok siya. So pinatulog ko. Tapos mamayang in 40 minutes gigisingin ko yun. Pero binihisan ko na siya. Ready na yun siya. Ha? Okay, come here. Come here, I'll help you. Nagbibihis si Arlo. Mga ano to, damit ni Indy. Mga gamit niya yung iba. Sports day today. Yeah, shorts. Put this on the couch and then the nappy, put in the bin. Go, hurry up. May pagbibigyan ako nito. Ito yung mga hindi na ginagamit ni Indy. Yung iba hindi na gamit ni Indy at all. Nasa declutter pile ko to eh. Ito mga blanket. So maya, after ng sports ni Arlo, idadaan natin sa bahay ni Inday. And sa kanya na to. Viewer ko siya. Tapos, buntis siya. Babae din. So, timing na timing. May pagbibigyan tayo ng mga hindi nagamit ni Indy. Tapos, malapit lang din yung bahay nila sa sports ni Arlo. Sobrang timing na timing talaga. Kasi magdadrop ko lang siya. Walang problema.
This toy as sports.
Okay.
And he will play too.
Yeah.
Pikachu.
Pikachu, I know.
And he done tip.
Yeah. So, mga bib, mga burp cloth, ayan. Hindi na kasi yan namin ginagamit. Yung mga malalaki, na-load na ni Dan sa car kagabi. So, yung capsule ni Indy, yung high chair, yun guys, nandun na. Ito, laging gamit ni Indy pero maliit na yun sa kanya. May mga damit din ako dito para sa kanya. Hopefully, magustuhan niya. Siya na bahala dito. There you go.
Mama, this is your bag, Mama.
Yeah, this is an extra bag, but it's
I want to
here.
put Pikachu in here.
No, I need to put it back.
Why?
I know, will you put your toys away? Put your toys away now, come on. I-load na natin to sa car para dire-diretso na tayo mamaya. Ayan na, nandyan na yung capsule ni Indy. Yung base niya nandun sa likod. Puno na yung likod natin. Nandun din kasi yung high chair.
Smiley faces in the paper, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then I could now. A part of me wants you to see. A part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror and find me window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice. Gone before you ever know. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Gone before you ever know. Trying to think of something clever, or just any word, but there's a lot of it inside a head. If I knew how, I'd let you have it. In the halo of the street lights, stomach turning like a rerun. Lucky girl, he's so attentive. If only you had tried to let him know anything at all. How could he ever see the signs if there's none of them around?
Your opinion right now.
In the middle.
Why didn't the safety finger end it?
Huh?
What does the safety thing not end?
Yeah, well, we need Indy safe, right?
Why?
Because
Why we need Indy safe?
we love her. We want you safe. We want all the kids safe. All good? Good boy.
Does it a bit broken?
Just a little bit.
Mama, is it dirty? I will wipe. It comes dirty. Mama, my picture was dirty. I will clean it up in the water.
Okay.
I will use the wipe in my hand.
That's a good idea. A very good idea.
What's a very good idea?
Yeah. Cleaning it is a very good idea.
Mama, and I use my I have another toy. Looks like Pikachu.
Alright, you're all good?
Yeah. And Mommy ready?
Yes.
Indy ready? Yes. Everybody? Yes. Everyone ready?
Yay! Thank you, guys.
Mama,
Yes?
my Pikachu was down there and we will get it later.
Okay, we'll get it later. So you are playing soccer today, Arlo.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they see you, they'll be like, Arlo, it's been a long time.
And
What
I
are
was tired.
You were tired. What are you gonna say to them if they ask you, where have you been, Arlo?
In my home.
In my home.
And I'm so tired.
No, you tell them I had a broken leg.
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna tell them that? What if they say, oh, Arlo, you're back. It's been a long time. How are you? What are you gonna say?
I have a broken leg.
Good job.
And have a fixed leg.
School's out ahead.
Yeah. You got a fixed leg now.
Hi, Andy. Love you. And Mama,
Yes.
you don't have my hat.
I love you, Kois.
You ever do, Mommy?
You're a good kuya. Oh my gosh, guys. Sunday is Isla's birthday.
Mama, I make a bubble in my mouth.
Oh, are you?
A big one.
A big
A super,
one.
super big one.
Oh, wow.
And a paw.
Okay.
And this big one.
Yep. So, mamaya, pagdating natin ng bahay, hindi ko pala magagawa yun kasi nandito si Dudong. Sana matulog si Dudong pa uwi, no? Are you gonna sleep on the way back home, Arlo, after sports? You should. You're tired today. No?
I sleep by you go back all day.
Yeah, I know. Kailangan kong balutin ang mga
Big deal.
regalo para sa ating ate at para sa kanya din. Meron din kaming binili sa kanya para meron din siyang i-open. Okay lang. So kapag pauwi kami tas hindi siya matulog, okay lang kasi may swimming pala sila mamaya. So I can do it later. Yeah, that's good. We are good. Play music. Dito na kami, guys. Tingnan nyo naman to. Punuan yung parking dito. Kaya mabuti talaga maaga ka lagi. Wait, may tatapon akong napi. See? Nakasabi ko lang, buti talaga pag maaga ka kasi si Indy nagpo. Alright. Ito yung dalawa, oh. Hello, kids. Nagpark kami sa road. Kasi nakailang ikot na ako dito, puno. I'm moving. Well done! Good job, Arlo! Oh! Arlo! Oh! Well done, Arlo!
Can you try doing this time? Can you go like this?
Dribble, dribble. Yep, dribble. Oh, well done. May paposing ka pa. Yep, and then kick. Oops, oops. 1, 2. Ay, sorry. 1, 2. Oh! 1, 2. Oh! Dito na ako sa bahay ng pagdadropan ko ng mga ano na to. Sana may katulong siya kasi ang dami nito. Wait sa boy.
We'll be over here. Why be here, Mama?
Huh?
We'll be over here.
I just need to drop stuff off. Just wait, okay? Hello! Hi! Hi! So, sino yung Margie? Ikaw! Congrats! Marami to.
Hindi, okay lang po. Andiyan naman yung asbang ko. Wala, nakakahiya kayo pag hindi, okay lang.
We're home. Ito na naman siya. Ito na naman yung day ko. So, dinrap lang namin guys and may parigalo sila. Salamat mga girls. So, na-meet ko si Margie at saka si Jane. This is from Jane.
Why, Mama?
Yes.
Let me see.
Ay, ano to? Nag-abala pa talaga tong mga babaeng to. Ang bango naman ito. From L'Occitane.
Let me see.
Yeah. Hand cream. Ay, I love hand cream. Rose at saka lavender. Thank you, Jane. This is from Jane. Salamat. I think there's something for you. Just wait, okay? And this one's from Margie. Mga pang sa mga bata daw. Ayan. Ay, oh, perfect! Skirt for Ayla. Is that a skirt? Oh, shorts pala. Ang perfect niyan. Pwede yan pang ano. Christmas. Top. Para ba to sa akin? Bakit feeling ko kasha to sa akin? Pwede to sa akin. Size 6. Yep. What? That's for Kuis. And this one? Hindi. Dito pala si Indy sa baba. Anong size to? Size 3. Hala, salamat. 12 to 18 months. Ito. Garaadian. Garaadian. May sanina bagudi. That's nice. Salamat, guys. Salamat, everyone. Where's your food? You finished it already? Dang, girl. Kain tayo lunch, guys. Mag-ano lang ako. Ham and cheese croissant. Mamaya na yan. Kain muna tayo lunch. Bumili ako ng gypsy ham. Nung nag-grocery tayo. Okay. Ang sarap niyang ham na yan eh. Ubus na yung ano namin. Swiss cheese. Mas madali sana yun. Kasi cheese slice lang yun. Yummy sandwich? That's good. Ngayon niya lang kinain yung food niya. Maikli lang naman kasi yung sports. Ano lang siya? 45 minutes. Pero nagdadala pa rin ako ng baon kasi minsan during sports kumakain. Or kadalasan talaga. Kanina hindi. Siguro kasi naninibago siya. First day niya ulit for a long time. Ganda naman ng mga damit ni Dee.
Good afternoon, guys. I got my bubble tea. Some people wonder if I cannot see.
Yeah.
I can't do this.
Oh.
I don't want this to that's why I'm putting it in the
Okay.
Mama, open it.
Manners.
I think this place, Mom. Bobby.
So did you get to take home only one?
What?
How many did you take home? Only one?
Two.
2? Okay. There were 23.
Open this to me.
Or only one person
Mama, open
was
it.
not there?
23.
Because there's 25 of you. I made 25.
23.
And then you got 2 back. So 1 for you and 1 for the other person that's not there. Right? Right here. Where did you get this lollipop, Alo? From the bubble as well. Alright, come on. Oh, someone gave you a present, Ayla. I'll show you. Just wait.
This is my birthday.
Yeah, because
Mom.
it's your birthday. Here.
Did I live in the Philippines?
No, originally, yeah, but they live here now. We went there today quickly.
Why do you also have a magnet?
I showed you the top.
But it's not doing your present.
Look at the size.
What's the size? I'm supposed to be size 6.
And this.
Size 6. Tell me size 6. Size 6. I know what it is. Size 6. 6?
Size 6. You can wear that for a Christmas photo. The shorts. Grabe ka
What else
talaga.
do I have?
Gumaganon talaga siya. Gumaganon talaga yung diko. Gumaganon talaga yung diko.
Mama, can you help me?
We have to go outside if you want to open the bubbles.
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than they should. Golden hour paints a dream like you. Even dreams start fading too. I am leaving, tell me what to do. I can feel us slipping away, treading water, yeah, what's the use? I just hate playing these games. Love drifts soft in the light. Come on, lay behind the bullseye. Way too high, you're on my mind. We were never meant for this life. It's a wave and we're moving on. Summer's gone before you realize. It's melting and the water is cold. Some things just fade and we let them go. Perfect bodies in the shallow blue. Didn't think you'd look for me. Would it kill you just to make a move? Nothing good.
Alright guys, nasa swimming si ate at saka si kuya and Indy sleeping. So let's wrap the presents. Napakadaming regalong binili ni Daddy. Try natin bilisan. Ay, ang cute naman ng bubbles. Apakalaking unicorn at saka ito para kay Arlo. I-separate ko lang yung kay Arlo, kay Ayla. Ay, mga slime, guys. Hindi sila allowed mag-slime sa bahay. Slime at saka nasali na din yung Play-Doh. Kasi yung Play-Doh tumitigas. Tapos may mga maliliit ako nakikita na matigas. Baka ilagay ni Indy sa bibig niya. Eh, kapag matigas na yun, mahirap na, choking hazard na siya. So, they're not allowed to play with Play-Doh. And slime, kasi alam niyo na, slime is very messy and it gets everywhere. Like, it's just not allowed. But because it's her birthday, syempre meron siya. So, mga slime, mga squishy, yan yung hilig niya. So, we got this birthday girl. That's for Arlo. Alright. We've got this wrapper. Unahin ko yung malaki. So, yung pinaka-main present niya talaga is yung bike. Kaya lang, iniisip kasi namin yung bike, hindi niya i-unwrap. And mas maganda talaga kapag may ina-unwrap sa edad ni Ayla. Mas maganda kapag may i-unwrap sa birthday.
Part of me wants you to see. A part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror to find me. Window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice.
What's he going
Hello
with?
guys, so we are hiding the food and each book, our little book doesn't have a snack. So he gets no snack.
So one of these
One,
does.
2, 3.
So one of these doesn't have a snack in it,
Yes.
and two of them do.
Yes.
So Arlo's done this.
She did this.
So it's all random, Arlo. So there's one that doesn't have a snack and two do. Okay. Do you think Daddy doesn't have a snack?
Wait, I can swap for you because I know you don't have no. I know you don't have a snack.
Shut your eyes, Arlo. Just shut your eyes at this.
Shut your eyes, Arlo. Shut your eyes.
Daddy shut his eyes too. It's a random game, Arlo. Shut your eyes. Keep your eyes shut.
Put the ball in the middle. The camera comes.
Not yet. Keep it shut. Keep it shut.
Open your
Alright, open your eyes. Okay, now we grab the thing. On the count of three, do it. You do
1,
one.
2, 3.
Go. Oh, Daddy has none. Oh,
Oh,
Daddy.
Daddy doesn't have any.
Daddy, see that.
I want more.
Arlo, he wants more.
I want more. Ah, look at that.
No, it's okay, Arlo. Daddy's got it.
Now we have to stay.
It's okay.
You want a snake?
That's a good game, Arla. she, she swapped because it was Arlo's last night. Arlo, what do you say to Ote?
Thank you, Waya. I love you.
I didn't have a snack. Daddy missed out.
I did not miss. Down.
You want a snake?
Yeah.
But only if you get green snake only.
No.
Yes.
Not green snake.
Arlo would like a green snake, Mummy.
No.
It's his favourite snake.
No.
He can have the green one. Everyone's looking at this one.
Every day.
Ah, you can't have it, baby. Sorry, Indy.
Nom, 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 nom.
I
Nom, 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 nom.
think I green snake.
You don't? What color do you like?
He loves green.
I
Dark green.
Did you guys eat the biscuit?
What biscuit? I'll give it to Arlo first. That's a good girl.
What do you say?
Thank you, Waya. Now,
Ooh,
green.
Here, I eat the green.
One.
Dada.
Yes, Rose.
One.
How about me?
Oh, okay.
Nah, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Thank you.
Mine is really bad, Mommy.
I'm not lying. I was just checking.
Look at Indy. She just sucks it.
There. Now. Ah, that's alright.
She's sucking it.
D. She loves it. Oh my goodness. No, Arlo, you can't give it to her, okay? Don't copy Daddy. She's not allowed to. D. Arlo, you can't give her that, okay?
When she's older, trade.
Yeah, when she's older. Yes. Yes. No more D. Careful, Daddy, huh? She can bite it. See, I told you.